Hello guys, this is Sukada Kotak this side from EduCARE. Welcome back to our channel for daily current affair videos. आज डिस्कस करेंगे करंट अफेयर्स ऑफ 7th October 2022. Before starting with the current affairs for the day, don't forget to follow our Instagram channel EduCARE Official, where regular exam updates and current affair quiz is uploaded. National Lok Adalat will be held across the country on November 12, 2022 to dispose the pending cases through the settlement. The Ministry of Consumer Affairs, Food and Public Distribution said that there are about 6,08,000 consumer cases pending in the country. The Department of Consumer Affairs is also reaching out to consumers, companies, and organizations through SMS, emails, and whose cases are pending before the commissions. The mission of the government is to strengthen the consumer protection and safety through progressive legislation and provide access to fair and efficient grievance redressal mechanisms. The Government of India constituted a task force for monitoring cheetah introduction in the Puno National Park in Madhya Pradesh, as well as other suitable designated areas. The National Tiger Conservation Authority will facilitate the working of the cheetah task force. The 9-member task force will conclude principal secretaries, Forest and Tourism of Madhya Pradesh, and the Inspector of NTCA, New Delhi, that is Dr. Amit. The task force will be in force for a period of 2 years, and the force may appoint a subcommittee to regularly visit the cheetah introduction area when it is decided by them. The Government of India has asked the Chief Justice of India, Mr. Uday Umesh Lalit, to name his successor as he is scheduled to retire on November 8, 2022. The Minister of Law and Justice has written to the Chief Justice of India for sending his recommendations for the appointment of a successor. Justice U.U. Lalit was sworn in as the CJI on August 27 by the President of India, Draupadi Murmu, at the Rashtrapati Bhavan. U.U. Lalit had promised to ensure a clear-cut regime where any urgent matters could freely be mentioned before the respective benches of the top court. Two female Indian students in Australia, Divyangana Sharma and Ritika Saxena, have won the prestigious Victorian Premier's Award. The Victorian Premier's Award is an initiative of the Victorian government to celebrate the outstanding international students in Victoria. Divyangana Sharma has been convicted with the Victorian Premier's Award International Student of the Year 21-22, while Ritika Saxena has won the International Student of the Year Award in the research category. Congratulations to both these Indian students. Starting with the current affair quiz, the first question for the day is, when is the Cotton World Day celebrated? The next question is, a new advanced supervisory monetary system, Daksh, has been launched by which of the following institution? Please mention your answers in the comment box below. The person who is giving a correct answer will be given a shout out in the next upcoming video. Coming to the answers to the questions asked in the previous video, Anton Zellinger is one of the winners of the Nobel Prize 2022 in physics. Is from which country? The correct answer is Austria. The next question was, Vishal Kisan Sammelan workshop by the National Mission for Clean Ganga and Sahakar Bharati was held in which state? The correct answer is Haryana. Shout out to Rujusha, Neha, Computer Man, and Priya for giving the correct answers in the previous video. That's it, guys. Like this video and subscribe to our channel for daily current affair videos. For classroom, live class, recorded lecture, books, ebooks, and test facilities, contact on the number which you can see on your screens. For more such MCQs, download the app from the link which is given in the description box below.